Students, this is NEET 2014's question, right? So let's read the statement. Beryllium 2 positive is isoelectronic with which of the following ions? Okay, you are having 4 options, and out of these 4 options, you have to choose the correct one for isoelectronic species of beryllium 2 positive. First of all, we should know that what is isoelectronic species, right? For this, we will write the definition that those species it may be ions or atoms which have same number of electrons are called isoelectronic species, right? Now in this question we have to tell about the isoelectronic species of beryllium 2 positive. First of all, I'll mention the core atom from which this ion will be formed, right? And next, ion and the number of electrons of ionic species, right? So number of electrons present in this ion will mention over here, right? First of all, I'll see the number of electrons in beryllium 2 positive. I know that beryllium 2 positive is formed from beryllium atom, right? So when I'll subtract 2 electrons from beryllium atom, it will form beryllium 2 positive, right? That means 2 electrons are subtracted from this atom. For this, I'll mention the number of electrons present in beryllium atom, that are 4 minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2. 2 electrons are present in beryllium 2 positive. Next, we will see the options. So first, H positive, right? If I'll subtract 1 electron from hydrogen atom, it will form H positive, right? Number of electrons in hydrogen atom equal to 1 minus there is 1 positive charge. This atom loses 1 electron. So I'll subtract 1 from this, right? So 1 minus 1 equal to 0 electron. Next option, lithium positive. So if I'll subtract 1 electron from lithium atom, it will form lithium positive. So number of electrons in lithium atom 3 minus positive charge means 1 electron is subtracted from this lithium atom. So 3 minus 1, it will be 2 electrons. So isoelectronic species with beryllium 2 positive is lithium positive. We'll see the number of electrons in Na positive and Mg2 positive also. So if I'll subtract 1 electron from sodium atom, it will form Na positive. Number of electrons in sodium equal to 11 minus 1 electron, it will be 10 electron. Mg2 positive, if I'll subtract 2 electrons from magnesium atom, it will form Mg2 positive. So number of electrons in magnesium atom 12 minus 2 positive, that means 2 electrons are subtracted from this atom. 12 minus 2 electron, it will be 10 electrons. So these two species are isoelectronic with each other, right? But we have to tell about the isoelectronic species of beryllium 2 positive, that is lithium positive.